Hi, my name is Daud Khalil.
I'm Natalie.
Rachel Forey.
Toby.
Andrew Swanston.
My name's Richie.
I'm Lauren.
Deborah.
Nigel.
Tom.
My name's Caroline.
Jamie Harvey.
Lorna.
I'm Laura.
Alex Calderhead.
My name's Jeremy Rees.
So I have been working at the Excel
For 2 years.
4.5 years, give or take.
Over 13 years now.
Nearly 17 years.
3.5 years now.
Nearly 11 years.
18 months.
So I've been here 17 years.
So my favourite event at Excel,
Has to be Formula E.
Formula E,
It was really exciting to see the whole venue transform into a racetrack.
Comic Con.
Comic-Con.
Comic-Con.
The G20.
The Brand Licensing Europe event.
The London Horse Show.
New Scientist.
The street food show. I'm a foodie.
I've got millions of memories from Excel. Working on the Olympics in 2012, which was the most amazing experience.
London 2012 Olympics.
The first Formula E that we did.
Working on Formula E.
The costumes and the cosplay at Comic Con.
I brought my family to the Jurassic World event and they absolutely loved it.
Being invited to speak at a panel at an industry event.
Meeting President Obama.
Honestly, every day is a memory. Absolutely every day. Working at Excel is a memory.
My commute to the Excel is really easy.
We have the benefits of the Elizabeth line, which means it's so much quicker to get anywhere.
I drive into work, which takes about 45 minutes.
We've got a car park and I drive in and that's absolutely imperative for me.
I live in the Suffolk countryside and my commute is about 1.25 hours to drive.
It's a small 20 minutes.
It's only 7 minutes.
St Albans to Farringdon, down the escalator onto the Elizabeth line, 4 stops. I'm at Custom House, 51 minutes from St Albans station to my desk. I love it.
There are lots of benefits for working for the Excel.
There's always something different going on.
Business Amazon type events, the variety, the pace.
Excel's an amazing business that brings people together, connects lives.
The investment in the venue is ever changing, keeps things fresh.
We're such a close-knit team. Every day is different, interesting things to see, people to meet.
I get to contribute to making events memorable.
You have the opportunity to work with a very diverse portfolio of events.
Fast, furious and fun.
Busy, vibrant, exciting.
Challenging, engaging, interesting.
Dynamic, fast-paced, excellent.
Exciting, innovative and groundbreaking.
Diverse, fun, very lively.
Unpredictable, exciting, challenging, but in a good way.